What if I told you these 10 AI tools can save you hundreds of hours and most people still don't know they exist? They exist?
What if I told you there are AI tools out there right now that can literally take over writing your emails, creating your presentations, building entire websites, and knocking out hours of tedious work in just a matter of minutes? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into 10 AI tools that honestly feel almost illegal to know about. They are just that powerful. And hey, make sure you stick around until the very end, because tool number 1, it completely changed the way I work, and I guarantee it's going to change how you work too. Let's get right into it. Seriously, are you wasting hundreds of hours every single year just doing repetitive tasks? Because here's the craziest part about this whole AI revolution. Most of these super powerful tools are either completely free or they have free versions that are absolutely powerful enough for most people. If you aren't using them, you're just leaving time and energy on the table.
Okay, Category 1, Design and Code on Demand. Kicking things off at number 10, we've got Canva AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Most people think Canva is just, a basic graphic design tool. But today, it has evolved into so much more than that. With Canva AI, you can generate entire social media campaigns, pitch deck presentations, stunning logos, videos, and custom thumbnails in literally minutes. Instead of spending hours obsessing over a design, you just describe what you want, and boom, the AI creates it. For content creators and small business owners, this is a total lifesaver. It saves countless hours every single month.
Moving right along to number 9, Cursor. Okay, I want you to imagine having a senior AI programmer sitting directly next to you, looking over your shoulder 24 hours a day, totally ready to build whatever you want.
That's basically Cursor in a nutshell. Even if you don't know a single line of code, this code editor can help you build websites, apps, automation tools, and even massive software projects, using nothing but plain English commands. You just tell it what you want, and the AI writes the code for you. Professional developers are actually using this every day to dramatically speed up their workflow, and total beginners are suddenly building things they never thought possible.
Next up, let's talk about the audio-visual AI shift.
Number 8 on our list is 11 Labs. Have you ever heard an AI voice online and thought, wait, is that a real person? Well, that is exactly what 11 Labs is famous for. You can create these completely human-sounding voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, and audiobooks in just minutes. Faceless channels are using this literally everywhere right now, and most viewers honestly can't even tell the difference. If you're a camera-shy creator, let me tell you, this is a massive game changer.
Coming in at number 7 is Runway. So if you've noticed this massive explosion of incredible high-quality video content across social media lately, Runway is honestly one of the biggest reasons why. Video editing used to require intense technical skill and hours of rendering. Well, not anymore.
What used to take hours of complex editing can now be done in mere minutes with just a few clicks. Absolute beginners can use Runway to remove backgrounds, generate entirely new video clips, and add these Hollywood-level cinematic effects instantly. You are completely bypassing the need for expensive, clunky software, which is just awesome.
All right, number 6, Kling AI. Honestly, using this tool feels like pure science fiction. It literally turns simple text prompts into highly realistic videos. No cameras, no lighting rigs, no actors required, none of that.
You literally just type a sentence, something like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, you hit enter, and within minutes, the AI generates a stunning visual video that exactly matches your description. Creators are using this right now to pull their wildest imaginations directly onto the screen. It's wild.
Moving into Tier 3, Research and Presentation Hacks.
Number 5 is Notebook LM. And I've got to say, this might honestly be the most underrated AI tool on the entire internet right now. Think of it as your own deeply knowledgeable personal AI research assistant. It analyzes massive documents, it summarizes dense information instantly, and it answers really complex questions based entirely on your notes. But here's the coolest part. It can take your boring, dry text information and automatically generate these highly engaging, podcast-style audio discussions between two AI hosts. It's unbelievable. Students, researchers, and professionals are absolutely loving this one.
Number 4, Gamma. Now let's be totally honest here. Creating presentations from scratch has to be one of the most tedious tasks in the professional world, right? Well, Gamma is the ultimate solution to that exact problem. The days of wasting time dragging text boxes around and trying to perfectly align images, yeah, those are over. You simply enter your topic, and Gamma creates a complete, professional, ready-to-present slide deck within minutes. There is absolutely no designing or formatting required. You literally just enter an idea, and the AI handles the rest of the whole shebang.
Number 3 is Perplexity. The absolute simplest way to think about Perplexity is, well, it's basically Google powered by AI. It makes your daily research significantly faster, whether you're an entrepreneur, a creator, or a student.
Think about it. Traditional search just gives you an endless list of links that you have to click through, read, and verify all by yourself. Perplexity completely skips that hassle. It gives you a direct, highly accurate answers synthesized directly from the web, right alongside specific, clickable sources. It's going to save you hours of endless clicking and scrolling every single week, for sure.
And finally, we've reached the last section, the ultimate AI assistants, the heavy hitters.
Coming in at number 2 is Claude. So Claude is widely considered to be one of the smartest, most nuanced AI assistants available today. It doesn't just, regurgitate facts at you. It acts as a highly intelligent, collaborative partner whenever you need some serious help.
In fact, a lot of advanced users actually prefer Claude over other tools specifically for deeper thinking tasks. If you need to write long-form content, or maybe summarize massive reports, brainstorm complex problems, or even just engage in long, sustained conversations without the AI completely losing context, Claude is an absolute powerhouse for that.
And finally, the tool that literally changed everything. Number 1, ChatGPT. Now, it takes the top spot for a very simple reason. It is the master key. It can essentially replace multiple tools we've already discussed today, all at the exact same time.
With it, you can write content, learn entirely new skills, generate business ideas, create marketing campaigns, build study plans, and yes, even code entire software applications. Millions of people use ChatGPT every single day because it just dramatically increases productivity across almost any domain you can possibly think of. If you aren't using AI yet, this is undoubtedly the very best place to start. So what does this all mean? Well, if AI can do all of this today, if it can code, design, speak, and reason in seconds, what in the world will it do tomorrow? But more importantly, which of these incredible free tools are you going to integrate into your workflow first? Seriously, don't let this explainer just be passive entertainment for you. Pick one tool today, try it out, and just watch it save you hundreds of hours. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Which AI tool shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more AI secrets every week. Thanks for watching.